something normally I would film on this channel, but I know you guys see Devin wear his Jordans to work and everything. These are black cats, and I think these are like elephant or something like that. Both of them are 5's. He just got these really muddy. I have protected them with Creep Protect, or Creep Protect, whatever you want to call it, before. However, I don't know if there is any justice to be done for these, especially these black cats. He did them dirty. So I'm going to work on them. First, we're going to clean these, and then I've got a separate brush. I'm going to try to brush off any loose dirt on this one, and then I've got my work shoes I'm going to clean up. But I'm going to do my shoes real quick, and then we will jump on Devin's shoes, and I will kind of show you the process. And I do have a separate bowl down here, too. I'm going to start with my shoes. I've actually got 3 bowls of water, one over here for his shoelaces. I don't have shoelaces on my shoes, so mine aren't too bad. I'm going to do a 2 rinse system. So this will have some soapy water. I'll rinse it in this to get any of the dirt out first, and then put it in maybe the soapy water next and kind of clean the shoe. But I will show you how these turn out after I scrub them a little bit. As you can see, I've got mine all soaked up. The soap dissolves pretty fast. But I'm going to rinse this, splash them there again, hit them one more time, and then I will dry them off and let you guys see them. So obviously they're still wet, but they did come out looking pretty good. I was just trying to get the dirt that comes around right in here and builds up on the sides of these bands. So I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead and jump over to Devin's pair of Jordans. So these things are rough. First thing I'm going to do is get these laces off, get them over in here, the soapy water. And then we will probably get them for any loose dirt there is. But yeah, those things are rough. Alright, I got the laces off, as you can see. So just so y'all can remember what they look like, they're pretty rough. So let's see what we can do. Alright, so I brought them outside to dry. They're pretty good. I did miss a spot right here in the crease. I can go get a Q-tip in a minute. But for the shoes being old, with the paint coming off and everything, they're doing good. The shoelaces are right there drying. I've got the black cats right here. I'm going to try to stomp them. I'm going to get the laces off, put them in here. It's a solution of a little bit of vinegar and soap. So I'm going to get the laces off, put them in there, and then I'm going to try to get all these like clumps off before I go inside and wash them. So yeah, I will show you a picture of them after I get them clumped off, and we'll see where we're going from there. Got the laces off. Let's see what we can do. Really just brushed the mud off of them. Just trying to get all the excess dirt. As you can see, the water's pretty nasty. I'm going to change out the towel because you see there's a little dirt debris, and the waters, and clean this brush really good, and then we'll get to soaping them and actually cleaning them. So we've got 2 new clean bowls of water. I cleaned the brush really well. So we're actually going to clean these with some soap and water and see how they do. Because you know, black looks clean and then it starts drying and it's not so clean. So we'll see. Alright, they're drying, but they look 10 times better. Only places I really couldn't get were down here in the little bubbles, and you can kind of see down in there. Animal fur is just going to happen at our house. But I think they turned out looking pretty good. I'm going to let them dry for a little while, and then we will come back out here and see how they're doing. Make sure I don't need to do a second. In the meantime, here's these. They're drying up pretty good. They naturally have like a brownish tint to them almost, but they look pretty good, you guys. Now, a quick disclaimer. Somebody's going to be like, I can't believe you ruined those shoes. There's 3 types of Jordan people. The people who wear them because they're comfortable and they wear them like normal shoes. They beat the crap out of them because they're comfortable. That's Devin. There's the people who wear them but keep them, like, don't even try to crease them, try to keep them mint. And then there's the other people who keep dead stock, which means they just have them sitting on a shelf and don't actually wear them. Devin is the person who wears them because they're comfortable. Devin wears a size 14, 15 shoe, and Jordans are the most comfortable to him, so he buys them to actually wear them. And being a size 14, 15, he usually has to go find somebody to find them for him because people buy them out quick, and he usually has to pay $300 for a pair, so he would keep them a little bit nicer if he could get like 2 pairs, but he wears them for work. These are the black cats are the main ones he wears to work, and then he wears these and another pair. He'll wear any of them to work, but he's got a couple that he does keep nice. He's got a couple yellow pairs that he keeps for car shows to match his car when we're going out on a date night. Like he's got a pair of Chinese New Year 13s that he keeps nice for date night. So, but these are the ones that the 5s are the most comfortable to him, 4s and the 5s, so he wears them until he can't wear them no more. So I will let them dry and we will come back out here and see them. Alright, so they are all nice and dry. The laces look to be dry too. They're still a little damp. I will let the laces sit out a little bit longer. But I think these turned out pretty good. I still got to go in and touch up some of the seams. But Creep Protect works some magic, especially if you have sprayed them before. And I mean, I think it saved a lot of this stuff. I've sprayed in it before. But again, these are just work shoes to him. So it is what it is. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just something different to show you guys. Y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already.